Hey folks, Scott Kelby here from LightroomKillerTips.com, and we're looking at a tip for the film strip down here at the bottom. You see those little badges down there? Those are actually buttons, right? So if I, for example, you see that this one has two buttons, one that shows you that you crop the photo and another that shows you adjustments have been made to it. Well, if you were moving through here and you actually clicked on one of those, it takes you to whatever that feature was. So it shows that the photo has been cropped. If I click on that button, it actually takes you to the crop tool, which is very handy and very convenient, unless it drives you crazy. A lot of people are like, I'm just trying to scroll through and it takes me to the crop tool. I didn't want to go there. All right, you can have Lightroom ignore that stuff. If you right click, up pops a menu. I'm right click down here on one of the thumbnails, go to view options, and there it is. Choose ignore clicks on badges. And then when you do that, from now on, it will just let you scroll through. And if you do happen to accidentally click on any of those buttons, it won't take you to that control. You're all set. So there you have it, folks. Hey, I hope you'll check out Kelby1.com. We are an online educational community for people who want to learn Photoshop, Lightroom, and photography and get really good, really fast. It's accelerated learning. You'll super dig it. I hope you'll go over to Kelby1.com. Just look around, watch a little video, kind of see what we're doing and see if it's right for you. Thanks, everybody, and we'll catch you next time.